I've got all the boards of sheathing or OSB on the side of the building, and I've got 3 levels of 12-inch Hardie plank siding on the board there, and I've just got enough tar paper. I didn't do all the tar paper at one time because I wanted the building inspector to see my nailing pattern and approve it. He did. He was okay with it. But this is how far I've gotten with about, I don't know, I'd say about 12 hours of work. I've still got to slide the Hardie plank siding underneath these electrical panels, and I actually didn't have to open up any of these, especially this one. Would have had to call up the city to have them do that. Really, when I took the old siding that was like cardboard off of there, it just kind of flaked off out of there, and the lag bolts that were holding it on it just fell off of it. So, and I built a little rack right there for this to stand on. I've got it temporarily supported right here and there, but yeah, I'll slide the planks under there when I get there, and after I put that last piece on there, I'm gonna with these little things that I bought on the internet. I was gonna buy the other ones. I forget what they're called, gecko siding things. These were my wife found these somewhere, but I don't know. This is my first piece that I've done with them. I guess they work pretty good. And but yeah, after I do this, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the rest of the tar paper up there, and then I'm gonna put the new pieces of Hardie board, 1x4 or 4x4 siding on there to replace that, and then the end pieces. That's how far I've gotten.